Okay, guys, so Bianco DiNapoli tomatoes. They're sort of like fabled out there. A lot of pizzaiolo, especially the artisanal ones that I see on Instagram, use these tomatoes. They're high end, I understand. I've never tried them before, so very excited to have the opportunity to try these. They're hard to find here in Northeast Pennsylvania, where I'm from. But a friend of mine, Kevin Lento, KLento63 on Instagram, was kind enough to send me a can of these and a can of the crushed. So super, super excited to try these today. We're going to make some pizzas with them. But first, let's open the can and see what's inside. Okay, we just opened the can, so here's the unveil. Looks like it's sometimes you get a very watery consistency with the whole peeled tomatoes, but not here. A lot of body to it, and they smell fresh. There's a certain sweetness in the fragrance, if that makes any sense whatsoever. We're going to pick these up. Wow. Now, the tomato is long and thin. Let's try another one just to make sure. Yeah. Sort of cylindrical. Now, these are just called whole peeled tomatoes. It doesn't say San Marzano on it, anything like that. Okay, so I'm going to go back and get this smaller one. And really, there's only one way to try this. I can eat good tomatoes. I can eat great tomatoes right out of the can all day. So this is not a problem for me. This isn't. This is fun and adventurous. So let's check it out. Wow. Okay. So I can immediately see why so many pizzaiolo use these tomatoes. So I'm detecting very low acidity, a ton of natural sweetness. Wow. That is just a very, very good tomato. It was tender, not tough, but also not the type of tomato that just withers. There's some out there that as soon as you touch them, they sort of disintegrate. This has the right texture. It has the right flavor. I'm very, very impressed right out of the chute. I can see why they're so impressive. This is going to be right up there with my favorites. But we do have to try it in a pizza to see how it performs. Let me get to work. So this actually turned into a double review here with the Bianco DiNapoli tomatoes, because I used my tried and trusty Pizza Bible, New Yorker Jersey sauce here that Tony Gemignani spells out, just so I could make a sauce I was familiar with and that I can compare. And here it is. So we have some ground tomatoes, some hand-crushed tomatoes, oregano, olive oil, pinch of salt. That's really about it. And now over to the pizza. Okay, guys, so I tested with two different pizzas, a pepperoni and a plain. I'm not sure what the pepperoni proved, although I was also testing a new pepperoni and a cheese here. So results were awesome. The sauce is awesome because of the tomatoes. And so far, this is going to be the leader in the clubhouse, edging out Cento. And I think I'm going to score this one a 9.3 on the whole peeled tomatoes. And I'm going to go to an 8.9 on the ground or crushed tomatoes. So amazing tomatoes. Big thanks to my guy Kevin Lento that sent it to me. I'm going to finish off the rest of these pizzas. Bianco DiNapoli. Fantastic, guys.